My name is Speirs. I'm a joiner to trade. I do various multi-trade contracts. My company is Speirs Group Limited. The reason I'd bought the air movement fan, I was doing a job where a premise had got flooded just before Christmas time. I had to dry it out, so I had dehumidifiers in trying to dry this out. I had a relatively short period of time to do the job. So when I had a specialist in doing the moisture test, he says, listen, you really need to get the air moving. So I then went on to the usual Google, Amazon, all these places looking at different fans, and obviously dust arrest kept coming up. So I started looking at the various ones that they were doing. I was looking at the price compared to the other ones that was on the market, but I was also looking at the size, and that was one of the big things that kind of drew me to it, in terms of it wasn't a 3-foot diameter fan. It was relatively compact, it was very powerful. So I thought, okay, this is good. Got one, tried it, absolutely done the job. I've used it in a number of jobs now, and it's brilliant. So in terms of storage, it doesn't take up as much space as what the other ones would have done. And one of the other things I liked was the fact that I could actually use this for dust extraction. So one of the other jobs that we were doing, we were working inside, and we were working off a diesel scissor lift. So there was quite a lot of fumes. So because we were using this and the fumes were in there, I was able to use this for extracting the fumes as well. So not only did I use it in one job to dry out for the air movement that way, but I was also able to use it for fume extraction, which was a benefit.